Welcome to my new shop. I've actually been building it out for the last couple of months. But anyways, I just shipped like 190 pieces this week. And so today I thought I was going to take a break and maybe do something fun. I was going to make a Larimar ring today. Actually, when I had my big shop in the Virgin Islands, which is where I discovered Larimar, there was the Larimar distributor. The guy from the Larimar is found in the Dominican Republic. It's the only place you can find it. It's known as the Caribbean stone. And the one of the owners, the guy he had like a little shop of like maybe 5 people, and he was the distributor. He would make all of the handmade Larimar jewelry, and he would go to all of the Caribbean islands and the Bahamas, St. John, St. Thomas, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, St. Lucia, all of the Virgin Islands, and sell his handmade Larimar. But he used to come into my shop when he was on St. Croix, and he would have his, because it was like a hub for him, he would have it shipped to my shop. I guess he decided that I had a big shop with the casting equipment and rolling mills and extra polishing machine. I had like enough equipment for 40 people. And he would come in there and he would have like his inventory shipped to my shop, and then he would work on it and double check his employees' work, and then he would fix it at my shop, and then he would go around and sell it to the jewelry stores. But I was looking at it, you know, all that jewelry was really thin. It was thin wire, thin bezels, thin ring shanks, and I was like, hey man, I'm a casting shop. And so I kind of convinced him to. I was one of the first shops that started doing the casting, you know, the really fancy casting rings for him. And I also did it for myself. I started buying Larimar from him. But anyways, today that's where I kind of fell in love with the whole Larimar jewelry. Nice blue ocean color. Let's pick out some Larimar and make a ring. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out a piece of Larimar out of my stock here. The one thing I love about jewelry is the handmade. As much as I can make, I like to make it, which is why I bought Larimar in the rough. So I've actually been thinking of making this ring for a while now. I actually made this ring a couple weeks ago and then casted it in my casting machine right there. And so I thought today I would go ahead and do the lapidary work, which is take the raw Larimar, take it over to the cutting and polishing section, cut it, polish it, get it to fit the ring, and then set it. So we need to pick out a nice piece of Larimar because when you're doing a small stone like this, it has to be just right. So we can go through here, and I kind of picked out this one right here. I think it's got some really nice pretty blues. And then what I like to do is I can take these either templates. You can get the templates. These are ovals, squares. You can get some heart-shaped ones here, but sometimes I use for the large pendants, small circles. This ring is, sometimes I like the weird shapes, like on a pendant, but on a nice, delicate, sexy ring, basically, I'm going to use this oval right here. Okay, the next thing I need to do, I need something to hold the stone, so I don't, you know, grind my fingers to bone. So I actually bought this, when I first moved to the Virgin Islands, there was a lot of, actually, factories on there. And there was this drill bit company that was leaving the island. They had been there for 3 years, and they said enough is enough, which is about normal. About after 3 years, people want to move. All the politics. So I got this whole box. Well, actually, I have 2 crates full of drill bits of different variation of sizes that I bought for like $10 a crate. So for 20 bucks, I don't know, I have several thousand drill bits. But we want to find a drill bit that just fits in the bezel so that it can hold it. Oh, this one's nice. Okay, so that one's just about right. Moving on. And there you have it, the beautiful custom one-of-a-kind ring shank with the beautiful blue Caribbean turquoise Larimar stone from Dominican Republic.